Good morning, student. Welcome back. 10th B Science 1, chapter number 6, refraction of the light. There are two different words, reflection and refraction. From the shiny material, when ray of light incident and rebound, when it rebound, it is known as reflection. From the transparent media, when ray of light will pass and change the direction, it is known as refraction. One transparent media to another transparent media, when light can pass, for example, air to glass, air to water, air to glycerine, air to diamond, from rare air to dense air in atmosphere. These are the example of two media, both are transparent, so ray of light pass from one transparent media to another transparent media. At that time it change the direction. In that time, direction and speed both will be changed. It can increase, it can decrease. From rare media to dense media, when it enter, both are the transparent. So change in the direction, decreasing in the speed. From air to water, air to glass, when it will enter, direction will change, speed will decrease. But from glass to air, water to air, direction also will change. At that time speed will increase. So what is the definition of refraction? When ray of light pass from one transparent media to another transparent media, at that time its speed and direction will change. This phenomena is known as refraction of light. There are many natural phenomena take place surrounding to us. First, very simple phenomena I am explaining. This is a glass of water. Half it is filled with water. Cross straw or spoon, suppose you will find band from here. The straw is straight, but if you will observe from the front, you will find straw is bent. From where exactly mark from where it is bent? From the layer where the two media separates, air, water. So when a ray of light pass from one transparent media to another transparent media, it changes the direction. This phenomena is known as the refraction of light. Here the speed is more when it entered into the rare media to dense media. speed will decrease, not increase. Direction change. Now very important experiment, very important diagram, very important question for the SSC board, which they will ask from this diagram. This is the most important topic of this chapter. This is a glass cube. Only front side I am showing. This is the ray of incident. Cross ray of light entered. This is a normal drawn. From rare media to dense media, from air media to glass media, when it will enter, it will move towards the, see, it is not going straight, change the direction. When rare media to dense media, it moved towards the normal, means angle will decrease. Now it will happen same, no? Now from glass to water, sorry, glass to air, air, glass, air, rare to dense to rare, from rare to dense towards normal, from dense to rare away from the normal. This is the normal. So refraction of light take two time, air to glass, then glass to air. Correct? Air to glass, glass to air. Air to glass means rare media to dense media. See, from this angle will decrease because it is towards the normal. Then from this to this, away from the normal. Okay? So this is the Z. And this finally, because how much decrease, that again it is increase. So these and these are equal. What is the name of this ray? This is incident ray. Okay? Check the symbol. This is refracted ray. This is emergent ray. So the angle between the incident and normal, that is an incident angle. Refracted angle. And emergent, that is, this and this will be the same, and this is Z, so this is also angle of refraction, this is also angle of incident. Now measure this angle and measure this angle and find out sine I angle, divide by sine R angle. That ratio is, the symbol is N type this. Refractive index of the glass with respect to air. They will give the diagram. Maximum number of time they have given the diagram and they have asked the question. What is this? A part, incident ray. What is this part? Refracted ray. What is this part? Emergent ray. This part, incident angle, refracted angle, incident angle or emergent angle. From air to glass, it is towards the normal. Glass to air, away from the normal. Now from that, first you have to buy up the definition of refractive index. Refraction of a light. What is a refraction of light? When ray of light pass from one transparent media to another transparent media, at that time it changed the direction. It changed the direction. This is known as refraction. Correct? Now three law. Incident ray, refracted ray and normal ray are on same plane. On a single paper I have drawn. So first number, second number and third number, one ray, two ray and three ray, all three are on same plane. Second, this incident ray, refracted ray are opposite to normal. See, incident refracted opposite to normal, incident ray refracted ray, refracted and incident ray opposite to the normal. First, all three are same plane. Incident, refracted, both are opposite to the normal, always in all diagram. Third, sin I, sin R are always constant for two media, and that is refractive index. This is known as refractive index. This much part is the cream part of the chapter. You should buy at this. First definition: when a ray of light pass from one transparent media to another transparent media, it change the direction. That is the definition. Three law of refraction. Incident ray, refracted ray, normal are opposite direct. All three are on same plane. Incident and refracted are on opposite side of the normal. And sin I by sin R is equal to the constant. Now this ratio for the glass, normal glass, in the laboratory when you will do the practical, this is 1.5. Now the table they have given for different. For air, it is 1. From one layer of the air to another layer of the air, transparent to transparent, that is 1. Ice 1.31, water 3.33. Water you have to remember 3.33. Ice you have to remember 1.31. So whose refractive index is highest and who is lowest? Lowest is air. Lowest, highest diamond. 2.42. In reason, two word you have to mention. This is transparent, this is also transparent. This is the lowest refractive index, this with the highest refractive index. Why? Compared to all transparent media, this is the rarest. Air is the rare media, not very dense, very rare. So refractive index is very less. Rare media, so less deflection of the ray, so less refractive index. Diamond, it is the dense, highly dense transparent media. Among all transparent media, diamond transparent media is the dense, घट्ट जिसको बोलते हैं, dense. And more deflection of the light you will find. Change in the direction, more. So the highest refractive index among this all transparent. Lowest water, less deflection, less refractive index. Dense area, not denser, sorry, dense area, dense media, transparent, diamond, more refraction take place, more refractive index highest, that you have to remember, 2.42. Only one time till now they have asked this table to fill, so each and every number you have to remember. Air 1.001 or 1 you can write, water 1.31, ice 1.3, sorry I have changed, see, water 3.3, ice 1.31. Normal glass, when you will do the practical in laboratory, you will find 1.5, and the diamond 2.42. Next, why diamond is shiny? When a light falls on a diamond, it shines. See how to write this answer. There are many cuts, many surface. So in previous lecture C45, now we are 25, where this rest of 20 students are sleeping. They are free, that our attendance is now full up. Can't understand this. This is a very important chapter, very easy chapter, scoring chapter. Students are not taking the interest. Okay, one question is, why diamond always shine? In diamond, it is a transparent media. Maximum cuts are there, so maximum plane surface are there, so multiple refraction take place. The light will enter this. Internal multiple refraction, reflection both take place. So it will multiply, so it observe like shining. Multiple refraction and reflection take place because of many cuts, many plane surface are there. Because of many cuts, many plane surface are there. Instead of this, one more definition is there. For refractive index, speed of light in air, that is velocity 1. Speed of light in media, or I am taking glass, so glass, so V2, V1 by V2, it is refractive index. Refraction in different type. When from air to glass, this is the normal. More angle, it will towards the this. air to glass means rare media to dense media. It moves towards the normal. Glass to air, huh? This is this. Now glass to air. Compared to this, more ready. From air to glass, the ray move towards the normal. From glass to air, dense to rare, away from the medium, away from the normal. Sorry. Now, when it is air to glass, glass to air, air to glass, rare media to dense media towards the normal, dense media to rare media away from the normal. When it is exactly perpendicular, these two are when it is cross, when it is exactly perpendicular, no cross. In algebra you have learned no slope, not defined, because horizontal zero slope, exactly perpendicular not defined. When slope not defined, it is perpendicular. When it is perpendicular, no change in the direction. Yes, but the speed will decrease. From air to glass, speed decrease. From glass to air, speed is increase. From air to glass, speed is decrease. Glass to air, speed is increase. But when it is perpendicular, direction will not change. Follow this. Students are coming, going, what? I am trying my best to give you, but you people, natural phenomena in which we can observe refraction of light. Very good example, twinkling of star. How much sentence I will give, how much word I will give, that much you have to write into the exam. Stars are like sun only. The nearest star that we call sun. So sun and star are exactly equal, but the sun to whom we are calling, that is very much nearer to the earth. And these sun are very far from the earth. It is twinkling. First of all, it is at a very large distance compared to sun. So they are not a big source. They are the point source. They are not a big source. They are a point source, like a pint. And there is a lots of distance. So first vacuum, then rare medium, then medium, then dense media, atmosphere. So from vacuum to rare media, rare to medium media, medium to dense media, 4 times refraction take place. सब मान लो कि यहाँ स्टार है. वैक्यूम टू रेयर, रेयर टू मीडियम, मीडियम टू डेंस. So the person is here. It is like that. Refraction of light. But it is exactly at the straight line. This is original. This is appearing. It's appearing slightly down, but it is exactly that. But straight line that we can't see, because from here to here to here to here it is refracting. So because of multiple refraction, we observe not in at original position, at different position. Follow? Because of refraction. First of all, distance is more. So first vacuum, rare media, medium media, dense media. So difference in the concentration. So a ray of light will pass in a different media, different transparent media. So multiple time refraction take place and it bends here. So the person standing here, he will find, she will find the star here, but it is actually here. It is a point source. So by the refraction, when the light reaches to your eyes, at that time it is bright. When it is because of the refraction, when it will not comes to your eyes, it will blink. So it is happening again and again, same phenomena. That's why it is blinking. More distance. Point source, different media, vacuum, rare, medium, dense. Multiple refraction take place, and because of that, it is not seems to be at original, at different place. This clear? Rainbow I will explain separate. Sunset and sunrise. Exactly afternoon 12 o'clock, when you will see the sun, no, it is smaller. Sunset time, sunrise time. Sunrise time east, sunset time west. You will appear that sun bigger. Now the distance between the sun and earth will not change. It will change because the orbit it is oval shape, not circular shape. So when it is at afternoon 12 o'clock, it is far, the distance is more, and it is a straight. When it is a straight, no refraction take place. During the sunrise and sunset, it is closer to the earth. First of all, it is closer to the earth. That is why it appears bigger, and because of that cross ray. So before sunset we can see the sun, after sunset also we can see the sun, because of this refraction of the ray in cross. So 2 minutes after also we can see, and 2 minutes before also we can see. So 4 minutes more we can see during the daytime sun. So exactly at afternoon 12 o'clock, it is straight, so no refraction take place, and it is far, so the distance is more, so it appears less. And sunset sunrise time, it is nearer to the horizon, so less distance appears more, and because of the cross ray, it take place the refraction, because due to the refraction it appears big, and also 2 minutes more we can observe. Rainbow last I will take now. Dispersion and spectrum, two words. Dispersion and spectrum. What is the meaning of prism and pyramid? Prism means top and bottom are equal shape. In pyramid, bottom may be any shape, but always top is pointed. This is also prism. This is pyramid. This is the difference between the prism and pyramid. Prism means top and bottom are of same shape. Pyramid means base any shape, but the top always point. We will take this prism, triangular prism. When ray of light pass through the prism, two-time refraction, air to glass, glass to air, and when through the prism white light will pass, it divided into 7 color. So the separation of colors from the white light, that is known as dispersion of light. And that 7 color you are catching on a white screen to observe 7 different color. That is known as the spectrum. Spectrum is the name of that screen, color screen. And dispersion is a name of process in which white light split up into 7 colors. Cross it should be, not straight, otherwise straight will pass straight. One cross ray of light, white ray of the light, this is a perpendicular, this is towards the, compared to this is less, again this, but here 7 colors you have to show. In exam students are drawing this, here 7 colors. No, from here only 7 colors. So don't miss that. So this will split up into 7 color. The phenomena in which a white ray pass through the prism, it split up into its 7 constituent color. That is known as dispersion of the light. And that 7 colors we catch on the screen. 7 color you will find on a white screen. That is a spectrum. The 7 color band, it is known as spectrum. Even a transparent pen on a bench when you are in the school, if you will move in a cross ray light, sunlight, you will find colors. Even in the plastic scale, if you will move like this, you will find the 7 colors. From plastic scale, from transparent pen, if you will move like this on a book, you can observe 7 color. So these are the spectrum. So white ray of light split up into its 7 constituent color, that is a dispersion of the light. And that 7 color band we are catching on a screen, that is a spectrum. From that, rainbow. These are the point related to the rainbow. Whenever the rainbow form in the sky, what is the time? Always it will be in morning or evening. Rainbow always will be at morning or evening. If it is in morning, opposite to the sun, morning east sun, so you will find that in west. In evening, you will find it in east. Evening east, EE. Evening time east, because evening time sun is on west side. So opposite. When? Morning or evening? Where? Place where? So if it is in morning, on west side. If it is in evening, east side. On which the rainbow will form? Cloud, white cloud. Shape of the rainbow, half circle. Shape of the rainbow is half circle. Two condition. Only voice is coming, but I just listen. Okay, no problem. Two condition is required. First, we find it in rainy season. Second condition, humidity, moist, should be more than 60%. Rainy season, humidity 60% more. If in the atmosphere the percentage of humidity is 60% more, then only it is possible. In rainy season only it is possible. If it is morning time, you will find in west. If it is evening time, you will find in east. Half circle shape, 7 colors, number of colors. So these are the point you have to remember for the rainbow. This we have to write, because why sunset and sunrise time? Because at that time you will find the cross sun ray, and humidity is more than 60%. So there are the dew points or the water vapor inside the atmosphere. So it will act, that bubbles by pressure, it will act as a prism, and through the prism, when the sunlight will pass, it split up into 7 color, and that 7 color will appear on a white cloud. So we'll find why it is half circle, because sun is round, and from one part of the sun, east or west, cross ray are passing, and it will appear like half circle. Rainbow 6.10, that is also very important. Dew point, that sphere, it is shown, white area of light entered, split up into 7 color, it spread into partial total reflection. This is very good. This is a dense media, you can take glass or a water, and if the rays this way straight, so it will pass straight. With small angle, it will go away. Again more straight, more slant, it will increasing. Here 90, then it means 0. increase. Straight on the surface. And one more cross. So see, this straight, this slide. So outside, on the surface, then internal. So these are partial refraction, and this is internal reflection. So partial and internal reflection. Here some part refract and some part reflect. Some part refract, some part reflect. Here no reflect, only reflect. So these are partially reflection, these are internal reflection. So that only you have to remember. These are the points which are very important for the exam. Today whatever I have discussed, that much only will be come into the exam out of that only. So this word, definition, diagrams, to observe the diagram, to read the diagram, to write about the parts and all, reasoning for this twinkling of star, rainbow, sunset, why rainbow appears, why stars are twinkling, why sunset, sunrise time the sun appears bigger, spectrum, dispersion, partial reflection, internal reflection. So these are the main point. And starting refraction definition, law of refraction. Okay, that is very, and the table is given, highest diamond, why, with the reason. So these are the point. So today I will send you full notes, including journal, including video of the practical. If you are not getting till evening, no, you just remind me. Okay, you want to ask anything, ask.